So this is the end of the field where the wheat's growing. It was the thinnest soil. Actually getting a fair amount of return on what we've planted. Just it could be a lot more. And next to the wheat we have the barley, which has done really poorly, and much smaller seed heads, as you can see. And next to the barley we have the oats. Some are doing okay, others less so. Now you'll see in the background there's a whole tree line, and that's the north up there, so this end gets very little sun in winter. When the sun does come up in summer, sort of over that way, so they get lots of sun in the morning up this end, and then lots in the afternoon as the sun goes. We can see where it's going down now, and in summer it goes down way over there. So there's some potential at this end of the paddock. Just need to get more organic matter into it, but I'm pleased with the way things are going. Even the oats, you can see, are starting to form seed heads, and there's a little way yet before we hit springtime, about a month or so at least. So that's the less than effective end of the paddock, but I'm pleased with how it's going. And at this end of the paddock you can see we have more barley growing. It seems to be doing better, although it is very yellow, which would suggest a nitrogen shortage. But this end was pig country, and the two boys did a lot of defecating here. Next to that barley we have the oats, and these oats were put in a week after the ones up the other end, so they've done remarkably well. Fair bit of lodging, but bigger seed heads, they're slowly producing. Over here is the spelt, which went in, the oats I just showed you were 2 weeks after the ones at the far end. The spelt was a week, so it went in between the two oats. It's growing quite well. To give you some idea, it's up to my hip almost, and getting ready for spring and seed.